बॉलीवुड हमेशा से ही मेल सेंट्रिक रहा है और इस बात से कई हीरोइंस को हुई है तकलीफ। कंगना रनौत और तापसी पन्नू से लेकर अब कृति सानन तक ने इस इशू को लेकर आवाज उठाई है। और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि एक फिल्म का क्रेडिट सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक मेल एक्टर के झोली में जा गिरता है। पहले तो कोई कुछ भी नहीं बोलते थे, लेकिन अब इस नए दौर में हर कोई खुलकर इस बारे में बात कर रहा है और अपने हक के लिए लड़ भी रहे हैं। कृति सानन ने लुका छुपी फिल्म के बाद इस इशू को रेस किया था और कहा था कि ये फिल्म में वो भी थी, फिर क्यों लोग इस फिल्म का क्रेडिट सिर्फ और सिर्फ कार्तिक आर्यन को दिया। और अब एक बार फिर कृति सानन ने दिल खोलकर इस बारे में बात की। कृति ने कहा, The conversation started after a headline stating Mr. Bachchan's Badla and Kartik Aryan's Luka Chupi do well at the box office surfaced. Taapsee pointed it out and tweeted that female actors have also worked in these films. Though it happens at times, I think most people are scared nowadays about not mentioning the work of female actors. They fear that we might tweet about it. Once the conversation started, Arjun Kapoor and I also tweeted because a similar incident happened when they started talking about the clash of Panipat and Pati Patni aur Wo. There are times when actresses are not given as much importance as the actors, even when it comes to mentioning them in the headline. You don't call a romantic film a girl's movie. Some people have a tendency to write in detail about the male lead's performance and just 2 lines describing the leading lady's work. That too, they focus more on how pretty she looked. Now that's upsetting. कृति ने पहले एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था, This business of overlooking the leading lady has been going on for a while and it's so unfair. I am glad this conversation is finally happening. It's logical to talk about only the male protagonist when the leading lady doesn't have a lot to do. But when they are both carrying a film on their shoulders, the credit should be equally shared. Everybody deserves a mention. कृति ने फीमेल एक्टर्स को मिल रहे पैसों के बारे में भी की बात और कहा, Remuneration should be in sync with 2 things, your role in the film and your capacity to pull in the audience. There have been instances in the past when actresses have been paid more than their hero. For me, money is important, but never the reason to do a film. The script, my character and the crew are the key considerations. Well, आपका क्या कहना है इस बारे में? To let us know in the comment section below. Also do like, follow and subscribe to Bollywood Now on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.